Hmm? Are you here for a workout? I hope you're all warmed up. Who'd have thought it'd be this close?
Huh? How much training do you do? Yeah, Jules! Show that 50 how it's done!
You are in the zone!
You're better than I thought!
Woo!
I believe in you!
Poetry in motion.
How much training do you do?
You can do it, Jules! We're rooting for you!
Oh man, who's gonna win this one? It's too close to tell!
You are in the zone!
You're better than I thought!
Who'd have thought it'd be this close? I can't get enough of those beautiful muscles!
I believe in you! How much training do you do?
Who'd have thought it'd be this close? You are in the zone!
I believe in you!
Poetry in motion.
You're better than I thought!
Slow and steady. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Would kill for a shower.
Couldn't keep up with you. Even as a trainer, I still have a lot to learn.
Looking to work up a sweat? Now don't go crying to mommy.
That's how it's done. Not bad at all. Your form's looking good.
Looking to work up a sweat? No way I'm letting you win!
I knew you could do it. Your form's looking good. That's how it's done. Not bad at all. You've got this, come on. Your form's looking good. I knew you could do it. Not bad at all. That's how it's done. I knew you could do it. Not bad at all. You've got this, come on! Your form's looking good! You've got this, come on! Not bad at all. Come on, one more rep! I knew you could do it! That's how it's done.
Worked up a good sweat.
Impressive. You're even better today than you were before.
See all those Shinra troopers storming the Dawn's place? What's that about? Hey, you think it's got something to do with a plate collapse? I saw it with my own eyes. A public security team waltzed right into Corneo's mansion.
Look, see that crowd over there? You think they're all Sector 7 refugees?
Welcome. Are you in need of accommodations?
There's nothing quite like kicking back and letting the music flow through you. What's that? You want to get in on my flow?
Guessing that went
people made it out than I thought. Look, see that crowd over there? I think they're all Sector 7 refugees?
Hey, those officers, where'd they go?
See all those Shinra troopers storming the Dawn's place?
The Coliseum is
Don't
open
tell
for
anyone.
business and hungry.
I heard Don Corneo was missing.
You're kidding me.
This song helps me to unwind after a long day at work. You look a bit tired yourself. Here, listen.
Don't tell anyone, but I heard Don Corneo.
With these babies, you can send intruders flying. I guarantee this is the only home protection you'll ever need. Only a few left. Get yours while you can.
Hey, been waiting for you. So, what are you in the mood to fight?
Enough. That's that. Enough. See ya. It's over. Was never in doubt. All right. This won't take long. Right. Here we go. Enough. Sorry. Let's go. All right. Gotcha. Anytime now. I see you. That's that.
I see you. Enough. Try me. I'm ending this. Was never in doubt. Get ready. That'll do. That
You'll
it?
be dead soon.
See ya. Burn. Gotcha. Enough. That it? Let's do this. Calling fire. Time to burn. Get ready. Burn. All right. Still in it. Let's get this over with. No holding back. Sloppy. Right. It's over. Not bad. Get ready.
You're mine!
Bring it!
Not good enough!
All right. Any time now. That'll do. See ya.
Come on!
This won't take long. No holding back. Try me. Don't overdo it.
Need my help, do you? Give them hell!
I got this.
Taking
Let's
over.
make it hot.
Calling fire.
That's the way to do it.
Here we go. That'll do. Enough. Time to burn. No holding back.
Gotta love it!
Burn.
Nothing's gonna stop!
Sloppy. All good. That's that.
Almost had it.
Enough.
No surprises there.
Let's do this.
Ready!
Any time now. Good job.
Whatever, man.
Get ready.
Bring it on.
That all you got?
Bring it.
That'll do. Gotcha.
Suck on this!
No holding back. Let's do this. Now. Here it comes. This won't take long. It's over. Here we go.
Come on. There. Gotcha.
Still in it.
Want some more?
That it? It's on now. Let's do this. That's that.
And don't come back.
Get ready. I see you. Steady. Sloppy. That'll do. Try this. Now, let's get this over. Gotcha. Get ready. All right. Try this. Sorry. Get ready. Enough. Good job.
Whatever, man.
Let's do this.
Suck on this!
Anytime now. No holding back.
Want some more?
Calling fire. Bam! Get ready. Now. Let's do this. There! Try me. Bam! Buzz off. Gotcha. Calling lightning. There. This won't take long. It's over. See ya. Not bad. No holding back. Let's get this over with. Try this. All right. Enough. No holding back.
Ooh, gotta love it.
That's it. Burn. Get ready. Gotcha. That'll do.
Oh yeah, another one in the bag.
Here we go.
Want some more?
That's it. I see you. Sloppy. Time to burn. Sloppy. Gotcha. That's it. Now.
Fire in one off.
Sloppy.
Want some more?
Keep it up, man.
Yeah, you too. Ooh, gotta love it. Da 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 da. Special delivery. And there you have it. Bringing the heat. Suck on this. Ha! Here it comes. Whoa! Duh! Oh, we're done here. Huh. Ha! Special delivery. Ooh. Huh. And don't come back. Whoa! Yeah! Stay down, asshole! Firing one off! Whoa! Ain't got nothing on me! Suck on this! Want some more? Ah! Oh, we're done here. You scared? Catch this! Bang bang! It's all good. Come on! Hurry up! Something now!
Burning everything!
Ah! Ain't done yet. Yeah! Want some more? Here it comes. Suck on this. Ooh, gotta love it.
Deploying flames!
Huh, and don't come back.
Brace yourself!
Want some more? Firing one off. Yeah!
You're finished!
Oh, not good enough. Suck on this. Suck on this. Still. Special delivery. Oh yeah, another one in the bag.
Watch your word.
Here it comes.
Damn it!
Yeah! Suck on this! Oh, you in trouble now. Firing one off. Golden opportunity right here. And there you have it. Whoa! Ha! Rah! Ah! That all you got? Suck on this! Want some more? Shit hurts, don't it? Want some more? A little pick-me-up. Kiss my ass! Special delivery! Stay down, asshole! Here it comes! Say your prayers and beg for forgiveness. Yeah! It's all good. Ooh, gotta love it. Want some more? Ain't no thing. Gonna blow your ass straight to hell. And don't come back.
Tossing grenade!
Gotcha! Stop! Aha! No more games! It's over!
Suppressing!
Heads up! Gotcha!
Worked up a good sweat.
Bring it! Huh? Let's go! Don't think you'll walk away from this! There! No more games! It's over! Heads up! Give it up! Ha! Come on! You asked for it!
Would kill for a shower.
Gotcha!
That all you got?
Gotcha!
Come on.
The cherry on top!
Focus! Come on!
Please!
Stop! Yeah! There! You're gonna feel this one! Huh? Stop! Yeah! To the limit and beyond! Bingo! Bring it! Gotcha! Stop!
That's the way to do it.
Okay. There.
What in the...
You asked for it. Ha. They're down. That's it. No more games. It's over.
Worked up a good sweat.
Let's go! Gotcha! To the limit and beyond! Bingo! Yeah! Yeah! Gotcha! Pour it on! Don't think you'll walk away from this! Bring it! Take that! Ha! Aha! No more games! It's over! Yeah! Come on! Don't think you'll walk away from this!
Would kill for a shower.
Focus! Yeah! Heads up!
That's the way to do it.
Ha! Yeah! Da! Yeah! Bring it! Ha! There! You're gonna feel this one! Yeah! Da! Yeah! Gotcha! Da! Yeah! Ha! Da! To the limit and beyond! Yeah!
Worked up a good sweat.
Focus! Come on! Don't think you'll walk away from this! Bingo!
No surprises there.
Gotcha! Yeah! There! Ha! Ha! Let's go! Da! Aha! To the limit and beyond! Ha! Ha! You're gonna feel this one!
That's a win.
Oh, damn it! Gotcha! Come on! Focus! There! Go for it! Don't think you'll walk away from this!
Would kill for a shower.
Come back anytime you want to fight. Okay, choose an opponent to fight. Come back anytime you want to fight.
being sad and shit isn't gonna help anybody.
Don't tell anyone. But I heard Don Cornelius.
Just kidding.
Service with a genuine.
Hey, those officers, where'd they go?
Coming off a night shift. Nah, but it damn well felt like work cleaning up all that shit.
You hear?
Everyone's so sad. Think. Oh, hey,
Betty, I'm so glad to see you're okay.
you too. Where's Marlene? Is she okay?
Don't worry. She's safe.
Really? I'm so glad. Hey, can you help me with something? I'm looking for music discs for the jukebox. I think some new music might cheer people up, make them happy.
That's a wonderful idea.
Okay. If we find any music discs, we'll bring them straight to you. You just promise to crank up the volume, all right?
You know I will. Thanks! Wow, what a song! It makes me feel like I can do anything.
Yeah! I can feel this song calling to my inner warrior! Yeah! I can take on the world! It's time I took action, made a stand!
Hell yeah, that's it. That's the fire we need right now. Be a force for change, brother.
I don't think this song's doing it. People still seem kinda sad. I'm still seeing a lot of frowns. Ooh, I like this one. It's really peaceful, don't you think?
Is it okay if I stay and listen for a bit? This song is a favorite of mine.
Sure.
It's not right, me getting out.
Now here's what I want to know. With no dog. Who's gonna know where to go?
Guess a lot more people made it out there.
Oh, there you all are. You're not gonna believe it, but the Chocobos are back. We can finally resume services. I really owe you one. Come on, let's ride.
Trains haven't been running for days now. We're all screwed.
Screw you, Avalanche!
Please come back safe and sound. Please.
Hey, Cloud.
Gotta be one of them lost kids.
Lost? Who said we were lost? Stupid old man.
What'd you say?
What are you doing out here? And where's everyone else?
Well, we saw a bunch of tombstones lying on the ground, so we decided to stand them back up. And then I heard laughing coming from somewhere, and when I turned around, everyone was gone. I was alone. I heard that, and everyone disappeared.
Heads up! Get ready. Need a light? Try this. Here we go.
See ya! It's over! Bingo!
I'm waiting.
Gotcha!
I see. Calling fire.
Guys!
Oats! Look, Cloud's here too!
So why'd you kids come out all this way?
This is where our parents are. They're resting, but we wanted to say hi. Sometimes you just want to do that, you know?
I do.
Thanks so much for coming to find us. That's another one I owe ya. We're gonna head back to the house now. Ms. Foley is probably pretty worried.
Hey, Cloud, I found this on the ground. You should take it. I think it might come in handy.
Bunch of little smartasses. With good hearts.
It's you, my good Merc! What brilliant timing you have! Oh, hello there. It is a pleasure to meet you both. I'm a journalist for the Daily Buzz.
The Daily Buzz? You mean that trash filled with Shinra fluff pieces?
Well, yes, that's fair. But we do get a lot of inside information because of our close ties with the company. Curious? Here's the scoop. A certain division of Shinra, that shall remain nameless, was planning to seize Corneo's assets. But before they could, the key to his secret vault, within which his misbegotten gains were securely tucked away, was stolen. And my sources tell me that the thief is the Undercity's beloved hero, the Angel of the Slums! The unidentified bandit who's been targeting anyone with ties to Shinra or Corneo. Yes, that Angel of the Slums has struck again! Well, do I have your undivided attention now?
Kinda, but hurry it up. We don't have time for a 3-act play.
Then I'll make this quick. So, my good Merc, you do remember where the Angel's hideout is, right?
Do you remember the death threat she left there?
Oh, that. I've decided to seek the silver lining in this case. If the Angel of the Slums deigns to take an interest in a humble reporter, then that itself would be a story.
What are you asking?
If you recover the stolen key, feel free to help yourself to the contents of Corneo's vault. All I want is knowledge, the identity of the Angel. So if you happen to learn anything of value, I'd be tremendously grateful to you if you passed it along.